Hey Google, open calendar, open calculator, open photos. Set a timer for 10 minutes. What's the weather today? What about tomorrow? Show me John Legend on Twitter. Get a Lyft ride to my hotel. Turn the flashlight on. Turn it off. Take a selfie.
All right. Now, as you
Reply, had a great time with my family, and it was so beautiful. Show me my photos from Yellowstone. The ones with animals. Send it to Justin.
All right. Yeah.
When's my flight? When's my flight? Reply, I should get in around 1 p.m.
All right. So notice how it helped Maggie.
Hey Google, send an email to Jessica. Hi Jessica. I just got back from Yellowstone and completely fell in love with it. Set subject to Yellowstone Adventures. Let me know if next weekend works for dinner so I can tell you all about it. Send it.